conduct so many parties. People come to dance for us, right? Come on. We don't dance. We simply take tea only, right?
Okay, sir.
Chammak Challu Rani. Come on. Dance is going
Please
on.
tell me.
We enjoy. I'm middle class family. Mumphali for rahe hain.
No, sir. It's not like that.
Sir, my
How did you become confident? How did you become confident?
my self-confidence, which has come while preparing myself for that confidence has put me just stand here because I have prepared myself.
I have prepared myself. I want every school to be closed. Dear government of India, please close the schools. Alright, by the way guys, so many people have been selected and elected by Master during your audition to participate the session of debate with CAF, sir. Let me tell you the motive why I am conducting. Somebody came and said, sir, how can we debate with you? I was like, hey, why are you just like that? I'm like you. In fact, if you become able to talk to me, just imagine, if you are eligible to talk to me, if you're countering question with me, I am your teacher. I always train you. I always come as a teacher. Maybe you may have a bit inferiority complex. But if today, if you're just going to cross question with me, if you're going to have question with me, you're going to fight with me, you're going to argue with me, oh my goodness, that is the main victory, guys. That is the main victory. Because that will boost your confidence. Come on. That will really increase your confidence. So I want you to just abuse me, no problem today. But don't abuse don't abuse me by any unnecessary words. You can say, shut up, sir. You don't have knowledge, sir. You can just be informal today. It's okay. I'm just like your brother. Whatever you consider me, you can consider me. Cha, dada, whatever you want to consider me, you can consider me. But don't consider me a teacher today. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. So, in this row, the first person who has been selected to come and sit on this hot seat to talk to me, ladies and gentlemen, this is, of course, a girl. Ladies are always ahead, guys, now. लड़कियां सिर्फ मर्डर में नहीं थी, आगे उसमें भी हो गई. लड़कियां लड़ाई झगड़े में नहीं थी, उसमें भी हो गई. तो ladies are always first. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the first comer of the day here to talk to CAF. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Neha. On this special day, on Sunday, you came and sacrificed your Sunday. Please sit down here. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
So before initiating or before starting or before beginning this session, I would like to know, dear Neha, how and why did you sacrifice your Sunday today?
Sir, enjoying Sunday is more 1,000 times better for me to coming here and learning something here. So that's why I just came here and to something special which I couldn't do last Sunday.
Oh my God, I'm so afraid. Your English is killing me,
No, sir, I don't have that fluency as you have.
I'm shivering, come on. I can't debate with you.
No, sir,
Do you want to win this certificate today?
Yes, sir, of course.
What if I win? What will you give me? You will win, you will get
Sir,
it.
I'll give you the best confidence, the best power of speaking that will motivate you to give me this certificate and you will say, yeah, Neha, you have done it.
What is my benefit? You will get it. I understand that. What will I get?
Sir, when a student do the best thing, the teacher automatically get the thing.
Yes, of course.
And that's what the
Very
teacher
nice.
wants.
That will be my victory,
Yes, sir.
That's fine. So, dear Neha,
Yes, sir.
what do you want to talk about?
Sir, I want to talk today. First of all, sir, I'm feeling very, very honored and privileged to have you here and to be the part of this debate. I know I'm not that much of capable, but today I'll see my capability that I am capable to debate with you or not.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir. So today the topic is knowledge versus beauty.
Oh, excuse me. What do you think? What is more important?
So beauty is very, very important. Sir, I'm not talking, sir, my beauty doesn't highlight by the face. Your beauty is highlighted by your heart. How powerful heart you have, how beautiful heart you have, how ethical behavior your heart is, how kindness you are. Sir, suppose a if I use the wrong words to you, will you love to interact with me? Obviously
Not
no.
at all.
That's a beauty, sir. That's a beauty. How presentful you are looking, how the way you are interacting with people. That's the inner beauty.
How buttering you are.
No, sir. This is confidence.
You know
coming
how
to me.
you are speaking here today?
Yes, sir.
Why and how?
Sir, because I'm very confident.
Knowledge makes you speak.
No, sir.
You said what is
Sir,
more important, beauty or
sir,
knowledge?
sir,
You are speaking today.
I am
What
looking
makes you speak?
presentful today. That's why
You are
it's
looking
more
beautiful?
No, sir.
What makes you speak?
Sir,
Please tell me.
I have
No,
told-
I'm sorry.
Sir, I have told you.
Ma'am, I respect you a lot because you're a girl, right?
Sir.
But don't shout a lot, please.
Sir,
Take your seat. Why are you so hyper? Yes.
Sir, I'm not talking about the facial beauty.
You only tell me what makes you speak. You said the way I'm using my word,
my
it shows
confidence.
my beauty. Your
My
confidence.
Sir, my
and how,
conf-
how did you become confident?
Sir,
How did you become
my
confident?
self-esteem, my self-confidence, which has come while preparing myself for that confidence has put me just stand here because I have prepared myself.
I have prepared myself.
Not.
I have prepared myself.
No, sir.
Dear ma'am, dear Neha.
Sir, the knowledge-
What's the meaning of preparation? It means having knowledge.
Sir, I really appreciate having
Yes.
that.
Beauty
but
is
beyond-
secondary. Beauty is secondary.
But
Primary is
no,
knowledge.
No, sir. Having beauty is primary. Sir, because whenever
How could you say that?
Sir, whenever we are
I'm sorry. I think you don't deserve to talk to me here today.
I'm sorry, sir, but
Yes.
let me clarify the thing,
Of course,
sir.
go ahead.
Sir, whenever we are going for an interview, first expression is the last expression. There you are
Excuse me, first expression?
is the last.
She doesn't have knowledge as well. How can I debate with you?
Oh, I'm so
first
sorry, sir.
expression or first impression?
First impression is that. Sorry, sir. I just.
So now you can see your beauty. Now you can see your beauty. You don't have beauty, it means because
Sir,
you
I
don't have
beauty.
knowledge.
Sir, I have beauty.
You became moi moi.
Sir, one mistake
When you-
cannot.
one mistake-
cannot say that you are
One
not.
mistake has, crashed one airplane in Ahmedabad, and you're
Sir,
saying one
sir,
mistake is not.
that is
One mistake is the biggest mistake.
Sir, that is mistake of the authority. The people who are taking care of that mistake is very very common because one mistake has killed.
Ma'am, if you
150
have
people.
proper knowledge, you can never make mistake. You will become, there is a very good word
Sir,
called
if-
infallible. You can become
If you
infallible.
are not presentful, you will not get the chance
So
to
how
present
am I
yourself.
becoming? How am I becoming presentable?
Sir, okay, knowledge you have. I admire that. Having knowledge is important. But what happens when you don't know how to express this? And expression is your beauty. How beautiful you are answering the question. Like
Okay.
your action, your facial expression, the way
Great,
of speaking,
great.
the language you are using.
Okay.
That's all a beauty.
Okay, Neha, tell me one thing. Our mothers used to say that in our childhood, when any elders come at home, you have to touch the feet, you have to do assalamu alaikum, you have to just,
Yeah,
no, you
obviously, sir.
you have to respect.
Yes, sir.
Our mothers told us,
Yes, sir.
it beautified us.
Yes, sir.
So the thing mother told, it was knowledge.
But it is also a beauty. The way you are.
So what is the point of
Sir,
debate here?
The way you are touching the feet, the way you are behaving with your.
So someone told that this information came in our mind. Then we started respecting people. So beauty is secondary, knowledge is primary.
No, sir.
Please
That's
accept
you're
it.
going wrong, sir. That's you're going wrong, sir. I just told you before. I'm just saying that having knowledge is important. I really agree that.
Yes.
But beyond that, even you're not.
Having
What
knowledge
if, sir,
is important.
What if, sir, I just come in night suit here in the coaching?
Huh?
Will you accept me to sit?
What is wrong with this? Oh my God.
Sir,
oh,
sir, this is
Toba,
wrong.
Toba. She's saying if I come in night shoe, what is wrong with it? Ma'am, how mentality, what kind of mentality you have?
Sir, even-
Ma'am, if anybody wants to wear short dress, let them wear. What is
Sir,
wrong with this?
sir.
If somebody wants to wear night suit, what is problem?
Sir, even IAS officer interviews are conducted on the attires. What thought you have on this? Can you say?
Did anybody ask the beauty of APJ Abdul Kalam? Tell me.
Sir?
Tell me, did anybody ask the
But,
beauty of
sir,
Thomas Alva
that
Edison?
thing was not going earlier. The new thing
Okay,
is...
right now.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Does anybody ask the beauty of Shah Rukh
Sir,
Khan? Does anybody
it is-
ask the
sir-
beauty of, Nawazuddin Siddiqui?
Sir, it is very
Does
simple.
anybody ask the beauty
Sir,
of...
let me have my words,
Yes?
sir. Sir, if I just want to say simply that when you are very proper attire, well groomed, that's make you confident. Like in people sitting out here, if I'm not looking, I was sleeping and just come here, that will somewhere it will lack my confidence.
You are
sir.
wearing a proper attire? You're having
Almost,
proper.
sir. Almost, sir. I'm just.
I'm having, people are having. Why? Because people know where to wear and what to wear.
But
People
sir,
know, and know means knowledge. Thank you. Take water, please. Go back.
no, sir. This
I'm
is
sorry.
Not, sir.
What
This
is it?
What, sir?
No.
I,
I'm sorry.
sir, no. This is wrong, sir.
This is wrong.
This is wrong. Totally wrong, sir. I just want to say.
So from tomorrow, let people come in underwear. Let people come in, night shoot. So it means they don't have knowledge now. They don't have knowledge. That's why they will come. The people are coming in proper attire because they know what to wear, where to wear, and how to wear, why to wear.
But how you are wearing all the things that modifies you,
Achha,
and
this-
that is your beauty, sir.
Again, you're
Sir,
saying.
sir, beauty modifies your knowledge. Like, sir, you know how to apply lipstick. But when you will not apply then people will not know.
Okay. Just
that
imagine.
You know that.
Okay. Just imagine I'm dusky color.
Achha, sir,
Let me complete.
okay.
I'm dusky color. Do you know meaning of dusky?
Yes, sir, black.
Okay, I am applying pink color lipstick. And how I will look, do you know? I will look just like, I don't have words, really. So I know which complex will suit my lips. Then I will apply lipstick. So knowing things very important.
Achha, sir, one question I also have.
Please
sir.
go ahead.
Like you know how to do makeup, but if you will not, sir, you believe doing implement is important or having is important. Until you will not until you will not do the things, people will not come to know that exactly you are having the knowledge. In exam, we are writing the exam that makes us that we have the knowledge.
You are just, making hypothetical
sir,
scenario.
I'm not making-
You are making cock and bull story. Ma'am, I need to know what I have to wear. Can I wear sari from tomorrow? Why will I? Sari is beautiful thing or not? Sari is good or not?
It is very common things, sir.
What is common thing?
This is
You are giving example of lipstick. I have given example. You are giving the example of makeup. I have given example. Now you are giving the example of this. You are not accepting this.
Having knowledge doesn't mean that until not uplift, do it on something that it will not make that you are confident enough.
The knowledge will beautify you. That's it. The knowledge will beautify you. Beauty will beautify your knowledge, sir. How would you say that? How would you say? Okay, from tomorrow, I am going to become a girl. Already she is saying, Anju is already saying, sir, you can become girl.
Sir, you know how to sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Of course.
Sir, can you please?
Of course, I used to sing in my childhood as well.
So the way of speaking, the way of expressing all the...
I need to know where I have to sing. If I come in the class, twinkle, twinkle, little star, why should I sing this here?
Sir,
I need to know where I have to sing, right? In front of my babies, I can say, twinkle, twinkle, little star. My babies will laugh at me and they will be happy.
Sir,
So I need to know where I have to sing.
You are making a
Thank you so much.
Sir, you are making hypothetical situation and nothing else.
You are also doing the same to you.
No, sir. I was just I just want to say, sir, that...
You have talked well. Thank you so much. Please have a seat. No doubt, Neha has really talked beautifully. I will tell you the result in the last. Who speaks, and who speak, and who spoke. Well, guys, ladies and gentlemen, the next person in this row, we have Mr. Aring from America. Sorry, Ambedkar Nagar. Day before yesterday in this public speaking, he was trying to say that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm from America. And then he said, Ambedkar Nagar. That's why I thought he's from America. Please sit down here.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. You can sit down now.
Thanks.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm
But you are looking just like Khalak Singh here right now.
No, sir.
Are you okay,
Yes,
really?
I'm okay.
Beautiful. So, which cream have you applied today on this
No,
face?
I don't apply any
Really?
type of cream. Yes, sir.
From here it is looking something, and upper side it looks something. I think you have applied baby's powder.
No, sir.
Then carom board powder?
I don't apply any type of...
No problem, but you look so handsome today, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about the artificial intelligence.
Excuse
AI.
me? What is wrong with that?
The pros and the cons of the AI, artificial intelligence, the advantage and disadvantage of the AI, artificial intelligence around the future of this.
You are already confused. You are not able to tell anything.
No, sir, I am able to tell you, sir.
Then say, what do you want to say? AI is good or not?
According to me, AI is the good.
AI is good.
Yes.
Of course not.
Sir, according
AI
to
is
me,
not good.
AI is the good for, according to
But
me.
tell him,
Yes. According to me, AI is the good for, like if I am talking about the future of the growth of this country or the for world, AI is becoming like a weapon for fighting to the for fighting or for making our day-to-day life is very easy. Let's just if I'm talking about like a healthcare sector, or if I'm talking about our daily routine, like in healthcare sector, before after coming the AI, now the operation is become like so easy without if you can like operate operation anyone without for large surgery, but before this there is a need for the large surgery and that type of things. And if I'm talking to daily life, like if a student or if you
I have understood. Thank you very much. I've understood. I'm from village.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
My mother has never used social media.
Yes, sir.
And she doesn't know about AI.
Yes, sir.
Just imagine that you are master of AI.
Yes, sir.
You will put one photo of girl
Yes.
and one photo of calf, sir.
Yes.
You will edit kissing each other
Yes.
by AI.
Yes.
And this video will be sent to my mother.
Yes.
My mother will see, she will become faint and she will die. Because, of course, she will believe it. She will
No.
think, oh my God,
Yeah.
calf is kissing a girl.
Sir,
What
sir,
is
but-
going
but-
on? Oh my God, toba, toba.
But
My
it
ammi will...
when it will become like a future in that.
Nay, first of all, answer this. You want to kill my mother?
No, sir. Why I want to kill your mothers?
So in India,
Yes.
AI is not
Sir,
acceptable.
You don't want
AI is not
you
acceptable.
don't
I'm sorry.
you don't want to like be in the future, and you don't be the upgradation or the changes for your for
Sir,
future.
modernization is okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
So,
Modernization is
yes.
Then why
What
you
is the
think that-
definition of modernization?
That
I'm
doesn't-
against digitalization. I'm not against modernization, sir.
Digitalization, you want to be the like passed from the Chinas or another countries who are the far away
Sir,
from
why
the,
are you comparing the beauty of India with China?
So,
What?
no,
Just,
you
just
want
kick
to
them
stay-
out, buddy.
you-
Kick
you
them
want to
out.
stay-
Kick them out. Kick them out.
You want to live in the 1920 or 1980.
Sir,
or
I said
1990.
I'm
You want
supporting
to grow-
modernization.
Yeah,
What do you
want
mean by
to grow-
modernization?
you want to grow-
What do you mean by
you want to
modernization?
grow. If
What do you mean by
you-
that?
you-
just
you
first of all
don't-
tell
if
me,
you don't-
what do you mean by modernization?
If you are not unable,
What do you mean by modernization?
if you are unable to adapt the new things or the updation in the country or anything, so you will not be.
What?
you-
That is why I'm saying, okay, if I'm not accepting AI, it means it is not modernization.
that means if you
Sir,
are not-
modernization can be done by other ways as well.
yes, that's great, but sir,
So,
if you, the generation
Killing is skill of the people, destroying people, finishing the culture of this India. You are promoting this kind of
so what do
modernization.
you want to what do you want to
Arey, I
say
want to
like
promote Chandrayaan 3. I want to promote, Aditya 11. I want to promote, culture of India. I want to promote the
these all also use the AI for the taking
technology is being used. AI is not used. Sir,
AI is
I'm
used-
sorry, you can
sir,
go
AI
back.
is used
No,
for the
I'm
like
sorry.
taking the,
I'm sorry. The
take-
telecommunication is used.
Yes, I know
What is
that-
telecommunication?
yes, I know
That's a
that-
technology. That's a technology.
The AI that is go on the moon and the floor.
AI doesn't go.
They take that proof on the from the moon
Sir, that is technology. You do not understand. Technology was earlier as before 100 years.
That's another thing.
So,
Like AI
so I'm appreciating that.
like
That is modernization. That's the modernization.
Technology that you have to maintain the how to that it will work or not. But AI that will manage by you like how
Sir,
do you do the
look.
thing.
Do you like this plant?
Yes, I like this.
And do you like that plant?
Yes.
Why do you like that plant? What will give? What will you get from that? What will you give? What will you get?
Plant that is here the beauty of the Veltalker is appearing the beauty of
That is artificial. That's a natural.
Yes.
Can you marry with a girl who's plastic made?
No, sir. Why?
So go for that.
AI,
Go for that.
AI will
Go for
tell
that.
you- AI will tell you, na,
Sir,
the difference between
AI,
the
artificial intelligence.
Yes.
The intelligence a human being has,
Yes.
the same artificial is having.
Yes,
So
yes.
what is the use of that artificial, sir?
Sir, that will make you in the future for like if you want to you are like.
Arey, sir, you are against nature.
No.
You're against, human being there
I'm
now.
not against nature.
You
sir.
are, of course.
Because in the America, I don't have a proper idea, but they are planning for like making artificial sun or artificial environment with the help of the AI. That is possible with the help of AI.
In
That's
future.
what-
That
in
will
the
be.
future, na?
That will be.
That's why
Okay, now let me tell you. Now let me tell you. Now let me tell you. In future there will be multiple calf. The real calf will be no more.
So No, sir. It's,
So what is the use of, what about the male calf?
There will be another type.
For
of
example, all right, the people will be cloning my wives.
Yeah, I can.
One calf is here in Patna.
But there will be
The people will not be able to identify the real calf.
There is another technology is coming that can be verified that you are the artificial or you are the original one. That
Sir,
is coming.
it is, see, common
Yes.
people can't detect that. Common people cannot identify that.
What do you think like?
Sir,
What do you think like if you are you don't accepting the AI,
My
AI will not grow. You are thinking like
My father used to say one line in my childhood,
Yes.
that beta study so much because ilm cannot be stolen, but things can be stolen.
Yes.
Now, because of AI, knowledge is being stolen as well.
Yes, sir, knowledge.
The knowledge is being cloned by the people
But
now.
it's according to how you think about. Like if
How you think about?
like
If something is
if I have
destroying
AI
me,
na, if I have AI, I can take a lot of knowledge from the same
you
AI.
can take knowledge by Google as well.
You know, there is a lot of things that if
You can take knowledge by Google as well.
You are just like a searching well talk.
Okay.
They give you a lot of.
Google can
website.
give you.
Google
can give you.
Google give you a lot of websites, and you will click and then search each and everything. If you are the same thing you search on the ChatGPT, it will give the summary of the well talk, where it is situated, who is the CEO of the well talk, and what is the institute for which.
Sir,
the
good
famous
things are not searched.
Sir, you-
Good things are not searched.
I know, sir, but you want to like if you want to take any knowledge and you are just wasting your time for 2 hours and you are just taking knowledge from 1 or 2 minutes. So which will is good for 2 minutes or for 2 hours?
Sir, I would go for a long time. Why? Let me
Why?
tell you.
Yes.
Let me tell you.
Tell me,
If I use my mind more, I become more knowledgeable in that because I have used my mind.
Yes, sir.
Just imagine you have to study about parajumble, you have to study about your numerical, but the way you will use your mind,
Okay.
you will use your mind, you will become more intellectual. But the answer that you're getting on the spot immediately, you cannot make yourself intellectual.
Okay, sir. If I want to become a junior,
You are
senior software
regenerating the point again and again.
I'm not regenerating.
You have given multiple
I'm
examples. This and that. Why have you not given the example of kissing? Tell me. Why have you not answered me?
There is a
You
lot
are manipulating.
There is a lot of technology and AI also come that will verify that this is the original or this is not.
My mother will say that excuse me, bring something to check
Sir,
it. My mother will become faint. My mother will become unconscious. And in India, there are so many mothers still they do not know about AI. They will believe it.
What do you want? Like if you will not become like a father, you will also be father in the future. No, so you will when you will know about the artificial intelligence. So you have a power to know that this is a real or not. Na?
If that is real,
Yes.
if for example that's a real one,
Yes.
how can I know whether it's AI or real one?
Yes, sir. There is a lot of technologies there that can verify.
Sir,
that
for common people, it is not used, sir. Right?
No, sir. This will come.
Oh,
This will come in the future.
Koini, thank you so much. Please have a seat. Very nice. You did a well job. The next person, ladies and gentlemen, we have Shalu. Please come to the stage. Yes, 1, 2, yeah, fine. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Shalu, are you Chalu today or not?
Yes, sir, I'm Chalu today. And
So-
every time.
What do you think you can win today or not?
Yes, sir, I will win.
I don't know why today I have kind of fear. Because my students are speaking better than me nowadays. I think, every student is going to start so many coachings in front of Will Talk and they will just, snatch my job. So, are you also one of them?
No, sir.
No? All right, so Shalu, tell me, how do you feel?
Sir, I feel damn good.
Damn good.
Yes, sir.
So, what have you decided?
Sir, I'm decided middle class family.
She is speaking incorrect English. I'm sorry, cannot talk to you. I am decided.
I decided.
I have decided. Or I decided, okay?
I decided middle class family and upper class family. Which is the best?
Is it debatable?
Yes, sir. It's debatable.
Upper class family
Yes, sir.
and middle class?
Yes, sir.
What are you supporting?
Middle class family.
They are good.
Yes, sir.
Not at all. Garibon?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Atif kahan hai? Atif, garibon.
How could you say it?
Garibon. This is very famous dialogue, by the way. Garibon, mar jaoge. Mar jao. हाँ? अभी मर गरीबों तुम लोग जो है बस खाली जो है रोटी खा के मर जाओ अपन काजू बादाम खाएगा राइट बाय द वे
Sir, if we are in middle class family, we are supporting each other. We are each other. We are standing each other in our bad situation, in our good
Right,
situation.
of
But if we are living in upper class family, we have only money, but we don't have that type of love. Yes, sir. And in the bad situation, you can't do only by money and that type of love. You can't purchase that type of love of by money. So in my way, middle class family is good.
This middle class family are very conservative.
No,
They
sir.
only talk about other bahus,
No,
other
sir.
bhabis.
No, sir.
And we are rich people. Come on, we think about ourselves.
Sir,
Why cappuccino, coffee? Come on, haath daba do. We are rich people.
no, sir. You
We
can't.
are rich people, and money works.
No, sir. Money.
Money
doesn't
can
work
buy
anytime.
everything. Money can buy everything.
No, sir.
And we upper class
By
people.
money you can buy the happiness that
Come to
type
Dubai.
of. No, sir.
Come to Dubai.
No, sir.
Come to Dubai.
No, sir.
Of
You
course.
can't buy-
Money can
you
buy
can't
happiness.
the love of the way.
I can
No,
buy
sir.
love.
You can't buy-
Excuse me, you know Jyoti Maurya? You know Jyoti Maurya? You
Yes,
don't know,
sir.
no, that's a problem
Yes,
actually.
Sir, I know.
So Jyoti Maurya earned a lot of money.
Okay,
She
sir.
became upper.
Okay.
She bought happiness with other boyfriend. Do you know that?
That's
And very
that's
important.
why it's happening now. It was happening.
And let me tell you one more
Okay,
thing.
sir.
We upper class family, conduct so many parties. People come to dance for us, right? Come on. We don't dance. We simply take tea only, right?
Okay, sir.
Chammak Challu Rani. Come on. Dance is going
Please
on.
tell me.
We enjoy. I'm middle class family, मूंगफली फोड़ रहे हैं.
No, sir. It's not like that. How could you say that?
What?
No,
What?
sir. It's not like that.
Wait.
It's
Wait.
not like that, sir.
Where is Bhabhi?
No,
Chawal.
sir. It's not like that.
चावल दाना की नहीं है.
No, sir. We are also
Sabzi
happy
kaat
with
rahi.
each other. We are also happy with each other. We
Ma'am-
can spend our time with our family. How could you say that?
You middle class family think, I wish I can go to Lucknow. You guys are not able to come Lucknow as well, but we people can go on the moon as well.
In our family, Lucknow is in our family. Whole India in our family.
Huh.
In
That is fine. I was telling you the deeds and activities of upper class family. If anything happens at your home, you guys come, bhaiya, help me.
no, sir.
Of
We are
course
not
you-
that like middle class.
Imagine that, if a person is admitted in hospital, he requires 1 crore rupees, where do you come?
No, sir.
You come to upper
We can
class family. Of course.
We can help.
Ma'am, become rich. Please. As soon as possible, become rich.
No, sir.
Shalu, let me become very serious here now.
Okay.
I think by, middle class family are able to think about their own family only. But upper class family are able to think other families too. You need to understand that. Because of us,
So-
other families are...
What about their family? They don't have time for her family.
upper class family.
Yes, sir.
But they are responsible for other families as well. Employments are going on of so many people. So
What about those people? They are thinking about the only himself. They are stalling the labor's money.
they are stealing.
Yes, sir. They are stealing
labor's
the
money.
labor's money.
Who is stealing? Upper class family.
Yes, sir.
No, it's not like that.
So
It's not
it's like that.
It's okay, fine. No, if it is like that, I agree with that. But what I believe that let's take the example of Mukesh Ambani. Of course, upper class family. Achha, you were talking about
In
by
India-
richness or by caste?
No.
By finance.
Yes, sir. By
Oh,
finance.
to Mukesh Ambani.
So how many Mukesh Ambani in our India?
You should feel proud.
How many Mukesh Ambani is in our?
CAF is there, right? By heart.
So by heart we have also.
We should have mentality to become better than Mukesh Ambani. And because of Mukesh Ambani,
So we have also mentality, sir.
our economy is balanced because of Ambani, because of Adani, because of so many rich people. And you are not happy with that.
No, sir. So, sir, first of all, you should tell me. You have to tell me how many Mukesh Ambani in our India.
See, we have only one.
Okay.
But
so what about the 99%?
I'm telling you,
peoples?
if we take motivation from upper class family, we can make 100 Mukesh Ambani in this country. But you say no, mediate class family, intermediate
why
class, middle class family is good. So why should I take motivation from, this middle class family? If you take motivation from middle class family, you can think about Thokawa only. You can think about
No, sir,
Barfi
we
only.
can't.
You can think about Sabzi only. But if you
sir.
think about, if you take motivation from upper class family, you can think about buildings, infrastructures. Of course, yes.
No, sir, it's not like that, and we can't do.
You're talking, just like forcefully.
No, sir.
Yes, you're talking
No, sir.
deliberately.
I'm
So
not-
tell me, Vijan, okay, tell me one of the best things of middle class family. One thing that you like so much.
Sir, I like so much about her love.
Love, okay.
Sir.
Okay.
If they have a bad situation,
Okay,
they are standing each other
okay, very nice.
by his love,
Okay,
by his supportive nature. But
Okay.
if we are looking the upper class family, they have only money, sir. They don't have time his own family.
okay, okay. Do you have any doubt on Shahrukh Khan's love?
Yes, sir. What about the Priyanka Chopra?
What is wrong? What is wrong? Nisi, what is his name? Nick Jonas. What is his name?
And
Nick Jonas.
yes, sir.
Nick Jones. Whatever his name is. They love each other.
No, sir.
Only age gap is the problem. Other they love each other.
So before, sometimes you can see and you can listen
What?
the news. And
They are a celebrity. They of course they will keep doing this. It's not a problem, right? They love each other, of course, right? What about your parents? They're also upper class, right? They're earning money,
yes, sir.
so they are very good for you.
So you are
Manipulating.
yes, sir. You are.
See, for
You
your
are giving example
for
of
your
only
manipulation,
1%,
I'm giving you the word.
10% in our India. You are only giving example 1% and 10%. They have a money. Like
Ma'am,
Shahrukh Khan, Ambani, Mukesh
India
Ambani.
is-
How many is Shahrukh Khan in our India? How many is Mukesh Ambani in our
Ma'am,
India?
almost India is going to be the most developed country in India, in the world.
Yes, sir.
Because
I'm
of
totally
upper class
agree.
family. Because of upper class family. But you want to make this country as a Pakistan?
No, sir.
Of course.
No,
You are
sir.
promoting middle class family?
No, sir.
Yes, middle class family is good. So let me become like Bangladesh.
No, sir.
So
it's not like that.
So promote
We are-
upper class family, na? Let everybody should become upper class. Everybody should have motivation to become upper class.
So why they are become to upper class family? Because of middle
Because
class
of
family.
uplifting country.
Because of middle class family, sir.
Okay.
They are developing.
All right, no problem. No problem. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
You talked well. I will tell you the result in the last. The next person, everybody, we have Mr. Brijesh. Please take your seat. Of course, that is yours, Mr. Brijesh.
Thank you, sir.
How do you feel? First of all, tell me, have you taken lunch or not?
Yes, sir. I've taken lunch.
I think you were sleeping and you got information that today is debate and you came here, right?
Actually, sir, I was excited yesterday when you told us I will put message in.
But it was not confirmed, right?
Yeah, but I was confirmed, sir,
Your
yesterday.
capsule will do that.
Yeah.
So when you got information, what were you doing? Were you in washroom or you were in room?
No, actually, I was just eating food.
You were eating food. So
Yeah.
you left your food and came here.
No, I just completed my food.
And then you came here.
Yeah.
You should have brought food for me. I have been here since morning. I haven't eaten anything. You should have brought food for me. But I want to
for that,
thank
sir.
Mr. Atif. Thank you so much. All right. By the way, yes, Mr. Brijesh, so tell me, what have you decided today?
Actually, sir, my topic is so. Yeah.
Congratulations and best of luck.
Thank you, sir. My topic is so. What we can say.
He doesn't know the topic.
Some
Oh my God.
controversial and so important.
What is that?
Recently, our UP government going to close some primary school.
That's
it
good.
Should be good or not?
Or
I think it is not good.
It is.
No, sir.
Government is going to close some of the schools, government schools.
Yeah.
How lucky it is. Wait.
Tell me.
Who is Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh?
Mr. Yogi.
Thank you, Yogi Adityanath. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for closing schools.
Why,
I'm so
sir?
happy.
Why you are so happy?
Admissions will increase and we'll talk now.
It will.
Of course.
It will.
Thank you, sir, for closing schools. I want every school to be closed. Dear Government of India, please close the schools and promote well talk.
Just you are wanting. Just you are promoting private school, private
Of
institute.
course, no doubt, no doubt.
For earning purpose only.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Toba, toba.
And in private school, everyone is not able to take admission and take education.
First of all,
Yeah.
tell me, good things should be promoted or not?
Yeah, good
Tell me
things should
honestly.
be promoted.
So that's it.
But listen me. But good things should be promoted. But there are so many ways to promote, na?
So promote private.
No.
Of course.
They
See,
are-
everybody now prefers to go in private school because there's individual target, there's individual care, there's individual counseling. You can see
But, sir-
today is Sunday, we have conducted a session for you guys. Why? Because of private. I'm focusing individually, right? So in government school,
You are
they are
trying to
salary
say that-
oriented.
You are trying to say that government can't do this, do like this.
Of course can't.
Can?
Teachers are money oriented. They are salary oriented.
Because government make like this, na? That's
Government
why.
has made.
Yeah.
Who is government?
What? Who's government?
Who's government? You are the government.
No, I'm not the government.
Arey, I am the government, man. You are the government, of course. Government is not anything that it will come to you all the times. We have made government. We are the government.
But
Government is not from
should
any
be
other planet.
Should be monitor all the things, na? And if a government found any mistake, they have right to. They should correct them.
They should correct them.
Yeah.
The government should not correct. We the people have to correct.
But no,
All
sir.
right. And we the
don't
people.
have right to correct them, sir.
Why not? You can raise voice if something is not good.
Yeah, we can raise.
I am saying that government has done well. Na? If nothing is going well, they should stop it. And they should promote privatization. And mashallah, government of India is promoting privatization. It means you are disrespecting the ideology of Modi ji.
I'm disrespecting.
Oh, excuse
not
me.
Modi ji.
Say sorry to Prime Minister of this country.
Sorry. Yeah.
You are afraid. You are afraid of Modi ji.
Not afraid. Just I'm showing respect. I'm not saying that you can do everything. Tell me one thing, sir.
What?
Do you know every child in your village go to school?
Almost yes.
But something.
Yes, maybe 1% or 2% will not be going. So,
I'm asking to you, the student who's not going to school,
who are not going?
to school,
Yes.
they don't have right to get education.
They have right.
Why government?
And you know what? How they are educating themselves? By tuitions.
No, sir.
But of course. Whenever they go in a government school, the casteism is going on. The discrimination is going on.
But
so I don't want my baby to go in this kind of a school, sir.
Let me answer you.
Yes.
Discrimination only is going on private school, sir.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Discrimination is going on private school.
Yeah, private school.
What do you mean by that?
I'm talking you constitutionally and by constitution.
Excuse me. How can constitution discriminate private school here?
Because
You are not in the sense, I think. You are sleeping, I think, right now.
let me complete.
You
Let
are
me
completing.
Yeah.
I am letting you complete. Yes.
Okay. According to our constitution,
Yes.
if any work going on under state means under government,
Yes.
there should be no discrimination.
Of course not.
Yeah.
Not.
But private school doesn't come in what?
What?
In state.
Yes.
Under
yes.
government.
Okay. Okay.
It means what? Government school increase discrimination.
The point
Yeah.
is that, for example,
Yeah.
just tell me. If I have started
Yeah.
2 shops,
Yeah. Okay.
one shop for shoes, one shop for clothes. Just assume that the
I
shop
think you are
of-
manipulating the point, sir.
I'm making scenario to make you understand.
Okay.
Okay, one shop of shoes is not running very well.
Okay.
I'm paying rent just like that. Unnecessarily, I'm paying the rent. So after few days, I need to think about it. I need to stop that shoe shop.
Why we need to think?
Or it is not running well. It's not running
It is
well.
not only option to close that.
See, I'm
We
telling
can-
you,
we
I'm
can-
telling you,
yeah.
I'm telling you the alternative.
Yeah.
I will take all the shoes and throw it. The same shop I will convert into showroom. So the same building of government school will be converted into private school. Understood?
let me-
Of course. People agree. Thank you very much. Yes.
I'm telling you.
You are not able to tell actually.
I'm able to tell you, sir.
You should tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
the example you have given
Yes.
is not suitable for that.
Then you give your example.
Yeah, I'll give you example.
What is that?
As you told, we have to what shop, and one is running good, is one is running not good.
Okay.
So after some time, we will think it should be what closed.
Yes, it should
But
be.
I think we have another ways
What is that?
that. But I'm not telling you like taking example like a shop. I will just tell you on the education topic. Yeah. Why our UP government school is not running well? Because there is no proper monitoring of the school.
Okay.
That's why. So I think
Thank you. You yourself accept it.
No.
The government school is not being monitored.
monitoring well.
Uh-huh.
So it is not necessary that to close that school, na.
So you are
We should
accepting
appoint
it,
more
na
and more
bhai.
officers.
You
We
are
should-
accepting that.
We should government should.
Imagine I have hired a master at Hilltop. Yes.
I'm just giving the example.
Please listen to me. If master is not doing well, so Hilltop is in danger. I need to just to modify
We
something,
can
right?
promote. We can appoint another member, na. We can.
So
yeah.
that is what I'm doing. That for modification, I'm doing that. I'm privatizing so that somebody else can manage it well.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
No,
Please shake hand with me. All right. Please have a seat. You talked well. All right. There was a girl. She was ready to fight with master during audition. I was like, my goodness, she is going to take lathi and beat master. I was very worried. I became bouncer for 1 minute. I became bouncer for a master कि अगर ये लड़की कुछ करी तो हम भी चाची बन के लड़ जाएंगे. And she was Afifa. I mean, fight means she was professionally fighting. So let me see how she fights here, how she debates here. Miss Afifa Fatima, please. Please. So first of all, I would like to wish you best of luck and break a leg. But don't break my leg. Break a leg is kind of idiom that we use to wish somebody best of luck. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, why did you come today?
Because you asked to come us.
If I ask you to come in Antarctica, will you come in Antarctica?
But it's a part of our education. Antarctica is not part of our.
No, I will call you for education there, right?
If you give us a ticket, we will definitely.
All right, very nice. No, actually you sacrificed your Sunday today. Especially on Sunday, people make, newly dishes and washing cloth day actually, right?
I was doing that.
You were doing that?
Yeah.
After completing everything, you came here. So which dushmani do you want to have with CAF today, with topic?
Animals should be kept in zoo or not?
What do you think?
They shouldn't.
Be kept.
They shouldn't be kept.
Tell me one reason, please.
Because nowadays they are feeling stress and they are living under a cage.
Yeah.
And they are living under a circle.
It's good. It's
And-
good.
No, it's not good. And they can't hunt according to their choice.
Right.
And that's all.
That's it?
Yeah.
What is your name?
Afifa.
You are the main hunter for animal.
But I
If they are in zoo, then why do you say poo? Of course. They are safe there. Of course. You are there. But you are hunting them.
we are hunting because they are in cage. If they are not in cage, if they are outside, we cannot go near them.
Ma'am, you should thank the government of India. They have made zoo, so that's why they are safe. I mean, people are killing every animal for what? For eating.
But we
How
are
sad
but
it is.
We are killing them with keeping them in a cage.
We're killing. No, they're not dying.
They are dying. They
Yep.
have a stress. They forget about themselves.
Ma'am, I think exception is there. Few animals may die. Is it? Please tell me. Is it okay to kill a bird?
No.
It is not.
No.
Then you people are killing every day. Go in the market. People are hanging after slaughtering.
But in a
Yes,
zoo,
exactly. Is this good?
But in a zoo, we also killing the birds and feeding
Ma'am,
the,
we are giving kaju badam to them.
No,
Of
lions
course.
cannot-
Please, I want to go in zoo, guys.
Lions-
Kaju badam I will be getting.
lions cannot eat kaju badam.
They are getting, chickens. They are getting, meat.
That's human are killing that chicken.
No,
They are not
dead
killing-
chickens we are giving.
That's
Dead chickens we are
No,
giving
no,
to animal.
they are living.
First of all, this is called ecosystem. This is called
so
ecology.
when we are killing, it's also ecosystem.
Oh, what? So it means zoo is, of course, good then.
No, no,
Are
it's
it?
not good because they forgot about themselves.
Okay, tell me one thing. If crocodile comes in your house, what will you do?
They
Honestly, swear by Allah.
how crocodile can walk stairs?
Because they are open.
They are open. But
They are open.
But
Huh?
they are living in a sea, in a pond. They are.
In front of my house, really, there is a pond. Really. And in front of Guraini Madrasa, there is one pond. People once, the people caught one crocodile.
This really happens, sir.
So, you don't go personally, go generally. Maybe the crocodile can come. Like Arif is from Ambedkar Nagar. There is one Gomti river is going, right? Anaconda is coming, bataiye. Dinosaur has come in Bihar. So, they will eat us. They will eat us.
So it's also, you are saying it's an ecosystem, so they are also eating us, we are eating them.
Ecosystem doesn't mean that we have to kill them forcefully.
But-
If a chicken is dying, if a chicken has died, we can use it. Giving it to a lion, giving it to tiger. You are, is this way?
No, sir. Some animals didn't eat dead animals.
We are giving in zoo, na? They are taking it, they are eating it. You have to make this habit actually. Right. My simple point is that, Afifa, if animals are on the road, we will meet an accident as well. You can see a lot of
Animals
accidents.
didn't come in a road. We are the people who cutting the forest. That's why they are coming on the road. That's why they are coming in our home.
See,
Because we are doing this.
Oh, the point is quite acceptable. All right, Koini, thank you so much. You talked well. I really became speechless. I think your victory is my victory, guys. The way you talked. If you speak better than me and if you speak nice points, I will be happier than you guys. Come on, let's invite the next person. Come on here. We have a great personality, Miss Sony. Where is she? And Danish.
Sir, I don't want to debate with you in front of camera because I don't know how to use proper English in front of you. That's why I don't want to.
Today you can use. I know very well. Come please first. Today you can use. I will speak very normal English. See, I am debating na according to people's level. Are you getting me? See, the way I debated with Neha, she is senior. So I debated like that. Here Afifa was talking well, that's why I was talking like that. According to level. Like after some time maybe I will debate with Anju. So I will not debate like I was debating with Neha. So you will debate, no problem. Come. I have psychological communication. Yes, I understand. Please.
Thank you, sir.
There's a very good line that to live in Rome, do as Romans do. जैसा देश वैसा भेष. Language हमेशा adopt की जाती है.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Who has given you this beautiful name first of all, tell me?
My mother.
Your mother?
Yes.
Not father?
No, sir. Sir, don't feel me very emotionally. Because whenever you talking with me, so I feel very emotional.
But excuse me, am I emotional or what?
No, I'm feel very emotionally.
So why do you feel emotional because of looking me?
Yes, sir.
Am I any emotional girl? Oh, boy? No problem.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा कुछ बात करने के लिए थोड़ा माहौल बनाया जाता है. किसी इस बात को ना तुरंत टॉपिक पे मत जाओ. किसी को हम न्योता देने गई हो तुरंत आ जाना शादी में नहीं. पहले बैठो, हाल चाल लो. और चाची ठीक है, पैरवा टूट गया तो सही हुआ. मतलब बात तो कोई बात नहीं. ये देखिए हमारी बिटिया की शादी, आ जाइएगा. ये होता है न्योता. अब ये गई ले आना तो आ जाना, मत आना नहीं तो आपके साथ थोड़ा माहौल बनाया था. सोनी का मतलब क्या है, धीरे धीरे. अब हाउ आर यू?
Yes, sir.
माहौल बन रहा है, राइट? हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing well, sir.
Did you
Thank
take
for-
lunch or not?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for.
I did.
Thank you for asking.
Thank you for asking me, sir.
About me. Puri, and how about you?
What about you, sir?
I am like you. What is the meaning of I'm like you?
You are like me. Means
What is the meaning of I'm like you?
you, the meaning of you looking like me.
Me, I'm like you.
You talking about emotional.
But your smile is looking like that. I'm like you.
I don't know the meaning.
I'm like you very much. I'm like you, but
I don't know which things you talking about. I don't.
I'm saying I'm like you. Tell me what do you understand?
Yes, sir. You like my. I don't know what.
No, excuse me. She is saying you like me. How can I like you? I am like you. Hey guys, do you know the difference?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I like you means like you,
Yes, sir.
real like you.
Yes, sir.
I am like you when I am same.
Yes, sir.
So I'm like you. Okay? So what topic have you thought to debate?
Sir, yesterday you told me. You told me you prepare on any topic. So my topic is richness is necessary to be happy or not?
Of course. Oh, of
Because I am
course.
favor of yes, and you are favor of no.
Oh, means richness is important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why do you think richness is important?
Because sir, if you have money, so you can buy anything. Whatever you want, you can buy.
Can you buy holding hand of mother and walking into
Yes,
park?
sir. There is so many artificial hands.
I'm talking about the real emotion of mother.
Okay.
There are so many rich people, they are not able to give time to their parents, you know. But these poor people, every time they're eating food with their parents, how lucky they are.
But sir, every poor people,
No problem. People poor, huh? Many
Sorry, sir.
poor people.
poor people.
Uh-huh. Many poor people.
Sorry, sir.
Many people peer. कोई नहीं. How are you? Many poor people. Poor people. कोई नहीं होता है. It happens.
I'm going.
It happens. Many poor people. Many poor. Many poor बोलिए. Many poor.
Many poor people.
कोई नहीं होता है. Many poor are. Many poor are.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Why are you just laughing? I'm not laughing.
I'm not able to speak.
अच्छा ठीक रुकिए माहौल बना रहे. So actually, you know, in this country,
Yes, sir.
you can see that a person who's very rich, he has a lot of money, they are involved into bad activities. They're drinking, they're smoking, they're involved into extramarital affair. You know, they have multiple girlfriends, they have multiple wives. So I think this is not good. But poor people, they're happy all the times. They earn 100 rupees per day, but they're very happy.
But poor people have big dream, but they are unable to fulfill because of money. So
See, rich people are not able to fulfill because they have more desires. Their desires are never ending. But poor people have desire. You know what is the desire of poor people?
Yes, sir.
Bringing 1 kg apple. They are able to fulfill.
No, sir.
Why not? What is the desire of poor people? Tell me.
and bicycle and
Bicycle.
Yes, sir. Bicycle and visiting anywhere. And so many things, sir.
Tell me honestly,
Yes, sir.
when you were in the school, you asked one bag from your parents,
Yes,
they
sir.
gave you or not?
Yeah, they
How
give.
lucky you are.
Yeah, I'm too much lucky.
Thank you so much. Even I was very poor, but when I said to my Ammi, I want to purchase one patang, and she gave me 10 rupees. How lucky I am.
But sir, which things get you feel happy, so you can buy, na?
I am buying. I'm from poor family. I'm buying that. And do you know the beauty of rich people? They are taking drugs.
But poor people have a big dream, but they able to fulfill their desire.
Okay. I understand that. But the desires are never ending, na? Rich people have never ending desire. Everlasting desire. Really. But poor people have desire, they are able to fulfill that. Like my desire was to become trainer, I became.
Yes.
Rich people are satisfied, I have everything. Really, they are satisfied.
Yes, sir.
So, like Shah Rukh Khan's son will never do anything because he is very satisfied. But I am poor, you are
Sir,
poor,
I think
people
you
are...
are manipulating my
Uh,
point. Yes, sir.
कुछ अच्छा बोल दो तो manipulating. क्या हो रहा है? That this is real. This is real. See, you have desire, na?
Yes,
That's
sir.
why you came in Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
I have also desire. That's why I came here. But rich people have desire, but they are satisfied. कि सब कुछ है ये घर पे. Why should I go?
But many girls like me not able to came here.
They are not able
because of
to
money.
come here
Yes, sir.
because of money.
Yes, sir.
See, if they have really problem, if they have really genuine reason, they can come. Like you are one of them. How did you come? Because you have real purpose. No, that's why you came.
But sir, you can see, you can saw many. You have seen many beggar who have big dream and desire, but they not able to fulfill their desire.
There is a very big line and good line. Please remember always in your life. To become rich, it is very important to become poor. बहुत बड़ी लाइन है. To become rich, it's very important to be a poor. You can take anybody's examples. Whoever is rich in the world, they have been poor as well. Look at Kev, sir. Come on. I have not become rich, but I am in the process. I was very poor, but now day by day I'm struggling. Like today, you are sitting. This video will be uploaded, and after I think in 2045, I will watch this video, and you will be the richest person of Uttar Pradesh maybe.
Sir, I have watched every video of yours.
In 2045, you can watch this video of debate, and you will be the richest person. Then you will forget Cap, sir.
No, sir, I never forget you.
You will never forget me, na?
Yes, sir.
So please, this video should be uploaded on YouTube channel.
No, sir.
No, sir? No, you can see your improvement today and in future. There will be, big improvement. So many bungalows you will have. Mercedes cars you will have. Then you can imagine, I was very poor sitting in Weltalk and today I'm rich.
No, sir, this is very precious.
Moment for you.
Yes, sir.
That is why I'm saying.
No, sir, the Will Talk Institute is precious for me.
That is why I'm also saying, na? I am poor, you are poor. Weltalk is rich.
Yes, sir.
But I am poor, you are poor.
No, sir.
In future, we will become rich. Huh?
You are already rich.
No, I'm not rich. I'm rich from here. From Fefla and heart. Of course.
Should I go, sir?
Sir is very rich.
Should I go, sir?
Of course. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. I would like to welcome the next person here. A selected personality. Can I tell you who he is? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. Well, we have Miss Neetu. Should I reveal everybody's name? कुछ लोग सो रहे हैं देखो कुलदीप को. Please. नहीं, he's thinking how can I talk? मसरूर कहाँ है? Sit down. All right, so Miss Neetu, I'm so happy to have you in this, debate.
Yes.
And I don't know what you are going to talk about, but I know you can defeat me.
Yes.
But I'm not afraid.
I will try to.
I will defeat you.
It's maybe.
It's maybe? Why are you supposing maybe? Tell me, Mahol, how are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm really fantastic and I'm like you.
Of course, sir. You are looking fantastic.
So today, if anybody calls you and says, hey Neetu, let's go and enjoy in Janeswar Misra Park, taking a bucket of popcorn and just let's have there.
Okay.
Will you accept that proposal?
I will not accept, sir.
Why?
Actually, because I want to come here.
You want to come here?
Yes.
No, after this class, if somebody calls you,
I can go.
you can go. And the person who calls you will kidnap you after eating popcorn. Now will you go?
No, I will not go. Of course not.
Why are you afraid? If they kidnap you, can kidnap them back. Exactly. If they come and kidnap you, they say same to you, come here. Come
Actually, sir,
on.
I have no experience of kidnapping.
What do you mean by that? I mean, we should have also experience of kidnapping people.
Maybe.
So let's kidnap a person today. Are you ready?
Yes.
So whom should
I will
we kidnap?
support you.
Whom? You excuse me? am I kidnapper? By the
So you are saying
because of you, I'm going to become today. So first of all, I will kidnap one mosquito.
mosquito.
You said now we need to have experience. You told before some time.
I'm talking about person.
We need to kidnap person. You are promoting in front of 5 lakh people, you know.
I'm sorry to all. I'm not promoting actually. Actually, sir is talking to me like that, so I'm just answering my.
So they should kidnap
answering
or not?
his questions.
They should kidnap mosquito or not?
Mosquito. I think nobody. I think nobody, according to me, should be kidnapped.
Nobody should be kidnapped.
Yes.
But people should kidnap mosquito or not?
Should kidnap? No, sir.
मच्छर का अपहरण होना चाहिए कि नहीं?
I think yeah, because of
don't know,
they
उसके
create
man.
many disease.
Mosquito से disease नहीं.
Yeah, of course, sir,
Oh,
because of biting.
mosquito should not be killed. Mosquito से पता है एक फूल खिलता है.
Which
सच में
one?
उसके बारे में पढ़िए आप.
I don't know the name of the flower.
Well, do you know गुड़हल फूल?
Yeah, I know. Hibiscus.
Mosquito sits hibiscus, right? Hibiscus. So if a mosquito sits on the blossom of a flower, then it blossoms.
I think so. You were saying the.
What I believe
pollination.
means many flowers are blossoming because of
Sir,
mosquitoes.
because of mosquito.
Of course, every animal is important in this world.
Yeah, importance is,
So-
but
So you should not kill mosquito. If it sits down here, say okay, enjoy.
you can sit and you
Huh?
can enjoy.
Of
my
course,
blood.
don't we the people, but no, don't do this, okay? From today. What is dengue? What is dengue? You are dengue actually. Exactly.
Actually, sir, she is talking about dengue,
Nee,
not dengue.
I'm saying that if one mosquito comes and sits down here, your blood should be like poison. It should die. Mosquito should die. Why are you dying actually? By the way, what topic have you decided?
Actually, my topic is, sir, joint family and nuclear.
What do you think? What is important? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
According to me, sir, according to me,
Yes.
I support joint family.
Joint family, why?
I
Why?
support joint family because in joint family there
Yes.
is a family support and,
Yes.
and also
Yes.
and also financial and
Stability.
Also financial stability. Yes.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
In joint family, 35 babies. Ciao, choo, yeah, we, mommy.
Sir, joint family means not
Day before
in that family
yesterday,
there
I
is a
went in village. I saw so many babies.
I want to-
Every room is full of baby.
listen
Wow,
firstly.
Ami.
Excuse me, sir. Listen firstly.
Yes.
I just want to ask one question that in debate, is there important shouting? I mean,
My God. I'm sorry, man.
actually, sir,
I'm really sorry.
I was not able to shout and argue.
I'm really sorry.
Like,
Nee, she has really, made me silent.
no, sir. I just want to ask because
You can become hyper, no worry.
no, sir. I cannot win, so I asked.
You have to be. Of
So
course.
I asked to you that shoutness is very important in debate.
You can ask me after this class, okay? Right now, I'm not teacher of yours. I'm I'm debater.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yes, come on. So I said, so many babies are crying in a you're not able to study. Excuse me, come on. You're not able to study. A lot of congested. I mean, but really.
In joint family, sir, there is not important that in joint family there is 35 babies.
I mean, there are babies.
35.
Man,
So much more that.
Na ko bahai
I
jo
think
they're
you are
coming.
manipulating and
That
right.
Qasam sits where by God, that's a reality.
I don't have seen 35 families.
There are,
joint
there
family.
are. Joint family means that will be possible, right? Possibility is there.
And if you talking about 35 babies in joint family, sir, and if there are, it's depend on the dynamics of family and yeah.
Correctly? One of the best moments that I want to spend, for example, my wife is cooking food.
Yes.
In nuclear family, I can just have some gala time. I can do nutty things with my wife. I can, what do we call it? Stress the hair. It's a beautiful thing. I mean, yeah, of course. But in joint family, uncle is there.
In rooms, there is no uncle.
In room?
Of course, we have.
Okay, no problem. In room.
It is not important and you will do there in kitchen.
आप अल्ट्रा सोच गई हम किचन तक हैं, हम रूम पे पहुंच गए. Okay, let's talk about room only. If
Sir, you are talking about privacy, na? So I think like that.
if I'm talking any personal
if
thing,
you want to spend some gala time like that, you
okay,
can spend anyone. Not,
I'm just talking to my wife, right?
yeah.
Uncle धाड़ दरवाजा disturbance.
No, sir.
Huh?
No.
I mean, knocking the door. Someone is crying, actually, right?
So
And
they will come after knocking the door. I think, according to me.
and in nuclear family, whole house is yours. Nobody can disturb you. Everybody,
also depends on
everybody
the
should be
family
in nuclear
dynamics.
family. Everybody should be. And what about nourishment of babies? Do you know? You are not able to nourish baby in joint family.
In joint
Let me
family,
be this.
there will be, in very good way, nourishment of baby.
Excuse me, only for feeding food.
No, sir.
Of
no,
course.
No.
Okay, for example,
In joint family, everyone take care of the baby well.
ma'am, if my salary is only 20,000 rupees, I cannot educate all the babies in a good school. And other brothers are,
Babies,
sitting.
again,
What? Again, I will have to talk about it, na? Education of the
cannot-
babies.
If you cannot nurture your 35 babies, you should not be like.
Nee, 35 babies are not mine. I have maybe
If you have a 35 babies, you need to.
Nee, my uncle's
You need
sons,
to earn
my
money.
brother's
You
sons,
need to earn
my
money,
sister's
sir.
sons. There are so many sons and daughters. So if I am only the one who earns money at home, so it will become problematic situation for me. I cannot educate everyone. Do you understand that? Speechless.
According to me, sir, why need it?
Nee, in this, see, it is very inflation era. In this inflation era, I think we are not able to afford education and everything. So it is okay to live in nuclear family. Think about your, family. Think about
In
your
joint
babies.
family, sir, everyone support you, I think.
Everyone supports you.
If you will be in nuclear family, all responsibility is yours there.
Okay, my wife wants to do job. The dada will be the first person to stop her. Exactly. That's reality. That's reality.
If you will convince him, he can allow.
Or if I convince, they will convince me back. If I say, Dada, sun lo na, Dada will say, sun le tum pehle. They will make me
And
leave.
sir, this time everyone can do job. It
Go
is not
come in
important
village.
that- it is
They are not
important
allowing you
that-
to go, huh.
It is not important that she can.
See, for Dada,
Sing
Bahu
about
should be at home. For Dada, Bahu should be at home and she should make food. And for me, we the modern boys are there to allow her. And it is possible because of nuclear family, not joint family. Do you understand that? And maybe unfortunately, one bhabhi is not looking good. She has some problem. Everybody will be taunting. Langadi to this, that. Really.
This is the
Body
personal
shaming.
problem, sir.
Body shaming is there. Really. In joint family, it
It
happens.
also happened.
In nuclear family,
Yes, of
I am
course.
only the one who can do body shaming. Who will do body shaming?
Society.
No, it is impossible.
Society.
The
your
taunt of the
relatives,
family is too
everyone
much.
Can see that.
Just imagine there are 3 bhabis. One bhabhi has got so many things in dowry. Dowry kya gift me, like she has got everything. And one bhabhi has not brought anything. The sasuma will taunt, like kya ho tum? You're using my sons. Understood?
Actually, sir, and this perspective is others, I think.
So I'm proving the joint family is not good.
No, sir, good.
And one of the most important things, bhaiya brings a dozen of banana, 12 piece. 12 piece banana, 35
if he
people.
is in joint family,
35
he will not
people.
brought 12 piece of banana, sir.
One banana, 90 piece.
It is not matters that one banana is cutting in 90 piece. Everyone
Everyone will
take
bring.
it,
Everyone will
and
bring.
will be satisfied, sir.
Right, you're right.
According
Okay, just
to me,
imagine
because
one
there is a
bayana.
emotional
You know bayana?
Bayana, yeah, I know, sir, because I'm also
Bayana
doing
nahi,
this.
bayana.
Bayana?
Neighbor bhabhi comes.
Usse, yeah.
So, they send 2 laddus,
I know,
2
sir,
thokawa.
I know, sir, yeah.
So, मैम लड़ाई हो रही है, अम्मी मैं लूंगा। But in joint family, people will start fighting. पता है लड़ाई बचपन से start. But in nuclear family, banner comes.
According to you, you are talking about confliction, right?
Yes.
That in joint family there is a confliction in person to person.
In joint family, person to people.
वही person to
हाँ. हाँ.
according to you person to people,
हाँ.
but in nuclear family
Person
also
to
there
person.
is a confliction in their life.
In their life.
Yes.
So it is person to person. We can manage together. What's the problem? If I have problem with my
So
wife, I
am
can discuss.
So I am supporting joint family. They can
Ma'am,
solve
if I have problem with my wife, I will discuss with her and I will sort out. Why should I discuss my problem with my
Actually,
Dadaji?
sir,
Huh.
in nuclear family there are many problems.
What problem? Tell me one of them. Tell me one of them.
Isolation increase stress.
Or she is getting freedom, she is going here and there, she is enjoying her
No,
life.
sir, but also stress there, na? Also
See,
stress.
in free time, she can go at her
and
home
also
as well.
nourishment of baby.
I can hire maids.
Of course, sir.
Of
if
course.
you are talking about maids, if you hire a maid, right, and she will come at your home, and she has also a baby, right?
Maid. Are I'm paying her money.
Maid.
I'm paying her
Okay, sir,
money.
listen firstly, na. And she has also a baby, and she is coming at your home, and if you have a baby, actually some.
Ma'am, I will hire a maid who is very old. I will not hire newly married maid. Yes.
If you will hire.
That is
a
my
old-
headache. What is your problem?
If you will hire a.
That is my
Actually, sir,
headache.
Actually, she will not.
That is my
able
headache.
to do it.
Why
No.
are you worried?
No, of course.
I will hire old maid. What is the problem?